Hello and welcome to my channel, the place where I take you on RV tours, campground tours, to hiking destinations and so much more. Now today I'm going to be showing you how I wash my sanctuary van. I just got back from a trip to Big Bend National Park in Texas. It was 3,500 miles round trip and now my van is pretty dirty. So I've got my Sunjoe pressure washer out, got an extendable arm wash mitt along with a hand wash mitt. I've got my foam cannon along with the foam soap, some trim and plastic restorer, Windex, and some regular car wash along with a bucket or container to help out. So let's get started. I'm going to start off by washing my solar panel. So I'm putting some water in my container and I'm adding some of that regular car wash. Getting it all sudsed up, and now I'm getting ready to head on up. Now just before I start washing my solar panel, I'm going to head on up and check to see if the sealant has any cracks or holes in it. Now everything up here looks pretty good except for this little hole that I see right here. So I'm going to grab my sealant and do a little bit of touch-up. Now that I've sealed the hole up, I am going to go ahead and wash my solar panel. Get the wash mitt nice and sudsy. Okay, let's go. Now I'm going to use this extendable arm wash pad to wash that solar panel, and I'm also going to wash the other items up here. I'm also going to wash this nice big spotlight, which came in very handy on the back roads of Texas. Now while I'm up here, I'm also going to wash the awning. Now I'm going to use the pressure washer and rinse off all the soap. Now that I've finished the top, I am going to work on the sides of the van, and I'm going to start by rinsing it off using just plain water and the 25-degree angle on my pressure washer spray. So I've added the appropriate amount of soap and water to my soap cannon, and I'm going to go ahead and soap up the side of the van and then let it sit for a few minutes. now that the soap has been sitting on the van for a few minutes, I'm going to go grab my extendable wash brush and wash the sides. Okay, now that I've completely wiped down the whole side, I am going to grab my pressure washer and rinse it all off. Side is now done. I'm going to move to the front and repeat the process. I use the wash mitt for these little areas so you can get right in there. All right, the van is now nice and clean, but the windows have some spots on them, so I'm going to take some Windex and wipe those down. The windows are now nice and clean, so I'm going to use this trim and plastic restore along the black parts over here to prevent them from fading. The van is now completely nice and clean. Check it out. I did use some tire gel and some quick detailer to do some finishing touches, and it's turned out nice and shiny. So thank you so much for joining me today. Please do subscribe to my channel and join me for lots more videos to come. Bye for now.